Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad model and iOS version so the Recorder app will run reliably. Once done, open the App Store and search Voice Memos, GarageBand, or a dedicated Recorder app. Choose one with the features you need. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free storage and Wi-Fi or cellular to download. Download and allow any required permissions when prompted. This gets you to the first usable recording screen quickly and avoids permission errors later. Once the app is installed, grant microphone access so recording actually captures sound. Go to settings if you need to toggle it. If you require better quality, connect an external mic via Lightning or USB-C adapter and make sure the iPad recognizes it. Next, open the app's audio settings to set input gain, sample rate, and file format. Higher sample rates yield cleaner audio but larger files, so balance quality versus storage. Test a short clip to confirm levels and monitoring before doing longer takes. Now you're ready to record. Position the mic, press record, and watch the input meters. Use headphones to monitor for clipping or background noise. Once done, stop and save or export your file as WAV or MP3. Move copies to iCloud Drive or the Files app for backup. If you encounter no sound, make sure microphone permission is enabled, cables and adapters are seated, and try restarting the iPad. If needed, switch apps to isolate whether the problem is hardware or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.